Good morning guys. Today is my Chang birthday. Ato siyang i-greet muna ngayon. Hi Mai! Happy birthday!
Thank you.
How old are you now?
仕事だからな。
Agay, kyo shigoto.
うん。
すごいね。Shigoto is daijin da ne.
うん。
Mai, you are 23 years old na.
Thank you.
Pwede ka na mag-asawa.
プレゼント please.
I gift for you, Mai, is always kiss mama. I kiss only.
Oh my god.
And always I love you so much. Yan.
Wow.
And good health always. Otanjobi omerito gozaimasu. Ippai ii koto narimasu you ni.
ありますよね。
Arimasu you ni. May otanjobi.
Thank you.
Mamang no gift is always kiss only. Kiss and hug. Okay?
No.
Love you, Mai. Enjoy your birthday today.
Bye.
Enjoy your presento kay Papings. Bye-bye.
Bye.